Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, perimeter alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.